tagal nating hinintay ang araw na to. I still remember the day when everything started. I admit natakot ako. But I took the risk. I have tested you so many times, but you never get tired and you really prove your good intention and love for me.
What a beautiful life. I wouldn't change it, it was perfect. Even the tears we cried. I wanna feel
This is the day.
tonight.
Sobrang saya ko kasi ito na ang pinakahihintay na araw nating dalawa. Masaya ako kasi nakarating na tayo dito ng magkasama. I promise na mamahalin at paglilingkuran kita habang buhay. Pumuti man ang ating buhok at kumulot ang mga balat. Pero ang pagmamahal ko ay di magbabago.
Days when I'm afraid I'll know you're looking down. You'll always be in my heart. I'll hold you close. I'll see your face in my dreams, and I won't be alone. But I can't help it.
And kay mama naman, sobrang sobrang nakakalungkot lang na wala siya ngayon to witness this very special occasion. Pero I know na masaya siya para sa akin.
I love you, oh I do. I'm who I am because of you, and I need to tell you now. This moment may be all we have, all we have, all we have.
Yel, welcome to Married Life, and please make it sure na yung pasensya and lahat ng kailangang gawin para mag-succeed na yung family life gawin mo para sa inyo ni Jomar at sa future family niyo. So good luck and best wishes. Thank you.
You'll always be in my heart. I'll hold you close. I'll see your face in my dreams, and I won't be alone.
Jerry, the check boy. Sorry.
Check boy?
Check boy. Rogelio, the doctor. The Riven.
So, ito
Best
ka nang
of the man.
Uy! Uy! Ah! Ganda!
Don't wanna let you.
Huwag ninyong ihiwalay ang inyong pag-ibig. Alagaan ninyo ito sa loob ng komunidad na nakapaligid sa inyo ngayon. Hayaan ninyong gabayan kayo ng kanilang karunungan, palakasin ng kanilang presensya at alalayan ng kanilang mga panalangin. Sa oras ng saya at sa panahon ng pagsubok, piliin ninyong magmahal tulad ng pagmamahal ni Kristo. Tapat, mapagkumbaba, at puno ng pag-asa.
did I do to find someone like you? When all that I've known is a heartbroken past. Now every time I look in your eyes, all that I see
Nagkabanggaan, nahulog yung bimpo.
maybe my bad luck can call
Silat ako nun.
when they saw you.
Silat ako sa Facebook, silat ako.
Puta, maka may booking sa video.
Makikisuyo mo lang.
With all I have, 'cause you are the reason you make me believe.
I think totoo nga yung sinasabi nila na kapag nakilala mo na yung taong para sa'yo, hindi ka kakabahan. That's what I felt in you. I feel safe. I feel calm. With you, I became braver and stronger. You always support me in everything I do. Thank you for showing your vulnerable side to me and for trusting me with all your thoughts.
Bawal daw ikwento eh. Evidence yun eh. Evidence siya. Pwede, congrats. Thank you very much. Pumasok ka na sa maingay na buhay.
What did I do to find someone like you?
Kakayanin natin lahat ng pagsubok basta't manalig lang tayo sa may kapal at sa isa't isa. I love you to the moon and back.
In nature, you're one of a kind, so I'm gonna hold on tight. 'Cause you
I promise to love you wholeheartedly and stay loyal and faithful wife. As we enter the new chapter of our lives, I hope we continue to love and understand each other more. I always thank God for bringing you in my life, and please do know that I will always choose to love you. Your loving wife, Jet.
love of my life, forever my light in the dark. Darling, you are.
Ito ang gift ko sa'yo. Kasi ang oras ay mahalaga. Pahalagahan natin ang bawat oras na magkasama. Kaya relo ang gift ko sa'yo.
Yep.
Yun, di ba?
Tama yun. Ito naman yung gift ko sa'yo kasi alam ko mahilig ka sa motor. And kahit na mag-asawa na tayo, please do know na I support you in whatever you do. So, deserve it.
Wow!
Dakat yan.
Bagong-bago.
Guys,
You are the reason you make me believe that heaven is here in my arms. And you are the answer, you're all